Hey guys, welcome back to Wearholic. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or enable voice dictation on your Apple Watch, be it Series 10, Series 9, Ultra 2 or any other variant. Let's start. Voice dictation allows you to convert voice input directly into text. You can use it to text or write without typing. Whether you want to search for something in the App Store or reply to a message. To use voice dictation on Apple Watch, first you have to make sure it's turned on. To do that, open Apple Watch settings and go to General. Scroll down, select Dictation and turn on the toggle button. To turn off dictation on your Apple Watch, simply turn off the dictation toggle button. You can also do from the Watch app on your iPhone by following the same steps. Now that the dictation feature is turned on, tap on this keyboard icon and select this microphone button. Now anything you say will appear as text on your Apple Watch. You can also change the language of dictation from your Apple Watch. To do that, you'll need your connected iPhone. Open Settings, go to General, Keyboard and tap on Add New Keyboard. Now select the preferred language that you want to dictate in. Add it to your keyboard and that's it. It will automatically be synced on your Apple Watch. Now open any app which brings up the keyboard on your Apple Watch. Scroll up like this and you'll find options for other languages. Select it and you'll be able to use dictation in that language. And that's how you can easily allow dictation and change the dictation language on your Apple Watch. But if dictation is still failing or not working on your Apple Watch, then here are a few things that you can try to fix it. First things first, go to General Settings, Dictation and ensure that the toggle button is turned on. Also, go to Siri settings and make sure that Siri is enabled and Hey Siri is turned on. Make sure that the microphone is not obstructed. If you're using a case on your Apple Watch, then try removing it and cleaning the microphone. Check if there's any pending software update, because new updates often fix bugs which might cause these issues. Try restarting your Apple Watch, because rebooting can get rid of any software glitches which might hamper with the proper functioning of your watch. If nothing seems to work, then unpair your Apple Watch and then pair it again. And that's how you can text or type on Apple Watch without a keyboard. It's a super friendly feature that can save you time, especially when you're on the go and don't want to type on that tiny screen. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content. I'll see you in the next one.